Hey guys, while I was making some music for my videos, I was gonna have my evening meal and I thought I should share it with you. Here I have some multigrain bread that is roasted in butter, about 4 eggs with 1 yolk in it, homemade mayonnaise. You can easily find a recipe online. There's some chicken that is fried in desi ghee. It's shallow fried, and cucumber with apple cider vinegar on it and some olive oil. रेसिपी के लिए आप यहाँ पॉज करके स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. It is one of those meals जो ना सिर्फ आपको फैट लॉस में मदद करेगा, but it will also enable you to carry out your workout routines in a better manner over time by making you stronger. और एक दफ़ा जब आप अपना गोल वेट अचीव कर लेते हैं तो you have to maintain and you can always go back to trying out your favorite foods. इस वीडियो में सारी फुटेज मेरे इस वीकेंड के फूड ब्रॉल की है और मैं सब कुछ शूट नहीं कर पाया because I wasn't carrying a camera on me at all times, but most of it is there. लेकिन जैसे आप ओवरनाइट वेट लूज़ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे ही आप ओवरनाइट वेट गेन भी नहीं करते हैं. Please follow the page and share the videos. Don't just follow the page on social media, but literally follow it for a good health. Have a happy, healthy, active life.